Hello students, welcome to the another class of the English literature book. Today we will learn class 6th literature book and the chapter is 7th Bharat Desh. It is a poem which is written by Subramanya Bharti. Let us start the reading of this poem. Let's start the reading of the poem. Before starting, we must have to understand that this is the poem of our country, means to say know anything which is more important than our country, which is called as Bharat Desh. Now start reading the poem with the paragraph voice. As the first stanza is, with the name of Bharat Desh on our lips, let us shake off our fears and poverty and overcome our sorrow and enemies. We shall stroll on the snow-clad silvery heights of the Himalayas. Our ships shall sail across the high seas. We shall set up schools, all sacred temples for us, and proudly thump our shoulders and utter the name of this land of our Bharat. With the name of Bharat Desh on our lips, let us shake off our fears and poverty. Means to say, when this name comes to our lips, we have to forget any of our problems like as poverty or any other things, like we have to forget. We have to show our dares and we don't have to fear, and also we have to overcome our all problems like sorrow, and we also have to forget the enemies. We shall have to, because we have to stroll snow-clad silvery heights of the Himalayas, and because also we have to mention, keep in our mind that our ships are sailing across the high seas. Also we have to set up good quality of schools, and all that schools are just like as a temple, and also we have to proudly thump our shoulders and utters the name, that the great country name of our, that is Bharat Desh. Talking about the second stanza, we shall make tools and weapons. We shall never be lazy or weary. We shall be ever generous. We shall always speak the truth. With the name of Bharat Desh on our lips, let us shake off our fears and poverty. Means lot of work we have to do for making our country, that we have to make a good quality of tools, and we also have to prepare the weapons for our soldiers. We have to we shall produce papers, and that will be work for the future of our country, that is the students. We shall open good quality of factories, also good quality of schools, and for this we don't have to be lazy, we don't have to stop. Okay, we always have to do good amount of our work, so that we should be ever generous. Means we will proceed uh, in a good path, and we will not be stopped. Every time we have to do the work, so that we shall be ever generous. We shall always speak the truth, so that we will also maintain the quality of ours. With the name of Bharat Desh on our lips, so we have to throw our fears and also our poverty. Talking about the last paragraph, both scriptures and science says we shall learn, the heavens and ocean we will explore, the mysteries of moon we shall unravel, the art of street sweeping too we shall learn. With the name of Bharat Desh on our lips, let us shake off our poverty, fear and poverty. Means to say that we have to also learn our history, and after that we also have to learn the more about the science, so that we will able to do both the things. We have to kept our cultures with us, and also we have to go to the future with the knowledge of the science, so that we can explore, we can know more about the heaven, and also we can know more about the all things about the oceans. Also we have to know the secrets of moon, so that we will know more about the space. Means we also have to go to the future to know more about the space, and also we have to know the art of street sweeping, we also have to maintain our cities clean, so that we also must have to learn the street sweeping. With the name of the Bharat Desh on our lips, we also have to forget, we all have to forget, we will have to show our unity. And that is why we are telling that when this name comes to our lips, we have to forget our all fears from our heart. And also we don't have to think our economical condition, so that nobody feels that we are not united. We all are united when these names comes to our lips or in our mind. As we know that we are celebrating Independence Day, so this, I think that this poem is now very much suitable to this time, that we became united, we feel united, and strongly we will fight to any of the enemies of ours. Hope you understand the poem very much. Thank you for watching this video.